Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm called Krina Styler, and on this channel we are authentic, we are real. All the videos you're going to see, maybe they won't be edited well because I like raw things, but anyway, today our topic is about opening a cleaning company. So many people have been asking me how I managed. First of all, my company I didn't have an idea. Here's the story. Sit down, relax, take a cup of tea, and just listen. I'm gonna take you step by step on how I started mine. So, I wanted to be an interior designer, and I really wanted to pursue interior design. And I looked at the market, and the market was pretty hard to have like an interior design business. So I'm like, how am I going to penetrate into the market when I'm even black? It's a little bit challenging. And the other thing is, I was thinking to myself, I don't want to work for anyone for the rest of my life. I want to be my own boss because I am good at my job. So I thought to myself, and I said, oh, wait a minute, why shouldn't I open a cleaning company? And through the cleaning company, I will, find jobs for interior design. But I had no idea about the market of cleaning. I had no idea about anything, how to open it, and nothing. But I had been working with cleaning companies before, and I know how to clean, and I am passionate about cleaning. So what I did, I thought like, okay, what do I do? I looked around and I said, I don't know anything about anything. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to get an accountant. I had some little money saved. I need to get an accountant. The accountants that I got, they were really nice. I didn't have any money. So they told me, yo, we will help you register the company, and then you just have to get customers and stuff. So I didn't even know where to get customers from, really, the first time. And so when I got the accountant, I told them, please help me to get to open up my cleaning company. I was so passionate. They saw it in my eyes like, wow, okay, we're gonna give you the first job. We are going to be your first customers. I didn't know anything about tax. I didn't know anything about charging people. Like, I learned everything about my company in a ghetto way. Like, I had no idea at all on how to start one, on how to, nothing, to be honest. So going back to the main topic, they helped me. I sat down, I'm like, okay, how do I want my cleaning company to be? I didn't look, the problem I have is I don't look into other companies, or I don't look into other things. Like, now if I want to open a clothing store, I don't look like, how does the other one have their store, or whatever that is. I love to be natural as possible, because I believe that if I do things from myself, I'll be unique. So I thought, okay, how should I make my cleaning company work? I found out that there was so much competition with companies here. There's so many cleaning companies around. So how would I convince my customers that I am better than all the other ones when I don't even have a reference or something? So I thought, because I have a charity organization, I'm like, wow, okay, I need to help on my charity organization too. I'm just opening the cleaning company so I can get into the interior business. So I thought to myself, why don't I work and I give 10% of everything, of all the profits I earn from the cleaning company, to my charity organization? I'm like, okay, this is a deal. I sat down, I made a plan, I wrote everything down. I went office to office to office when my company was opened, office to office to office with my proposal. At that time, I already had 2 customers, my accountant and another one too. 2 of them. And then I got friends around. I called them, please support my company. I have a cleaning company. Like, every time I saw you, I'm like, oh, I have a cleaning company. I didn't even know anything about pricing or tax at that time. I was just charging. Like, I went, I checked on the internet how much the other cleaning companies charge, and I just reduced mine a little lower, not thinking of the tax, by the way. So I went office to office dropping my proposal. I thought that the first 2 years I'm going to lose money, I'm going to work hard, and I'm not going to make any profits at all. But in the future, when I make some profits, of course, it's for my charity and it would help me out. So 3-4 months go by. I start meeting other people who own companies. I start asking them questions, and then the pricing issue, I started following the pricing issue because the tax was a lot, and everything. So it was overwhelming for me. But after 6 months, I started learning slowly on how to charge people, on how to keep get my customers and all this. So I really worked hard for the first 1 year. I had managed to actually get like 15, like, you know, customers that are there full time that I go and work for. And in that 1 year, I worked so hard that the company managed to buy a car and everything by this proposal. Then afterwards, I found out that there is an app in Sweden for companies that they can get jobs in it. Like, wow, I didn't know that, but you pay so much money. So I started to go on that app, and my accountants were so nice to me that they were doing everything to me with the tax and all these things. And then afterwards they say, if you make money in the company, you can pay us. They were really nice to me. And that happened. We managed for 1 year to run the company, like I said, in a getaway, in a hard way. And we managed to reach our goal. And then I decided, okay, I worked too much. I was working so much Monday to Monday to try to build up the company. The good thing is I didn't have that thought like I need to make profits. You know, when you go in a business and you just want to make profit, it never works out. So when I met this other company that I get jobs from, I started to apply. I started paying. And when I paid for that to start to get jobs, I go in there, I apply for a job. 10 out of the 10 that I've applied for, I at least get 6 jobs out of it because I'm good at talking, convincing, and everything. So my company went up, and right now I am good. I have after I think I've been now 2 years, I have 6 employees, almost 8 employees though. And I just we just get what we can, and we are having more customers, more and more every day. Anyway, that story it stops there.